What's up, Stush gang? Welcome or welcome back to another day of Stushmas 2022. Today is Stushmas day 4, and in today's video I'm bringing you guys something a little different, bringing you guys something festive. I decided to DIY a Christmas wreath with you guys in today's video. So I actually started this a couple of months ago. I started this in October. I decided to DIY my very own Halloween, and my mom actually joined in on the fun and she decided to create a fall wreath for our door. So this December I obviously have to keep up the fun. I'm gonna make a Christmas holiday festive wreath with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing me create this wreath, definitely stay tuned. If you enjoy DIY videos like this, leave your girl a thumbs up down below. Subscribe and join the Stush gang down below as well. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Stushy's uploading for 25 days straight and you need to be here every single day. And if you haven't already, make sure you're also following me on the gram at the Stush Life. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So really quickly, I just wanted to show you guys the wreaths that I created in the past. I'll go ahead and put them both up on the screen right here. Well, really and truly, I only made one wreath. My mom made the other. So I made the Halloween wreath and my mom made the fall Thanksgiving wreath, and I think they both look really good. We just walked into Dollar Tree one day and we're like, we could make our own wreath, why not? Let's do it. And we bought all the items that we thought would be necessary to create the wreath and just DIY'd it really and truly. So that's what I'm going to be doing with you guys today. I'm going to be making a Christmas wreath. I'll share all the items used in this video as well on how I created the wreath, and I got everything from Dollar Tree, so just make sure you pop into your local Dollar Tree and shop there. I'll double check to see if Dollar Tree has an online shop. If they do, I'll leave the items linked down below, but you could always find items like this in your local Dollar Tree. You could find them in Michael's, you could find them in Deals, you could find them in Dollar General, stores like that, Family Dollar, to do your own DIY. So enough chit chat, let's go ahead and get into this DIY. Okay, so let's start with what I have. It's currently pouring outside, so bear with me, but hopefully it makes the video a little bit more therapeutic, a little more aesthetically pleasing. So I opened up a brown paper bag because we're going to be working with the glue gun today, so I just want to make sure I'm protecting the floors. But all of the items that I'm using today is coming from Dollar Tree, really like $1.25 tree, because y'all know they raised their prices. I picked up this star wreath. Zoom it out just a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. That should be better. We got the star wreath, ton of different flowers. I got some with acorns. I got these velvet white flowers, and I also got these red velvet flowers. These are poinsettias to my knowledge, but yeah, I got this arrangement of flowers. I just picked them out. They come like this, white, and I just got one of these. So we'll see what we'll use from this arrangement. I got these in the crafter square, some elf feet. I picked up these two elves as well. I thought these were really cute. I might use them, I might not. I picked up one ornament, Santa, and I got a green ribbon that I'm currently looking for. Where is it? And I also picked up this green ribbon. I know that I'm going to go in with the ribbon first, so let me open this up. And I want to wrap the wreath in this green ribbon. My back already hurt, y'all. Is this centered? No, that's centered now. So I'm gonna pick this up and wrap it around. And it doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be covered. So as you guys can see, our ribbon is finished, so I'm gonna spread it out a little bit just so it covers everything. So now I'm gonna use my glue gun to just kind of hold this in place. Just adding a little bit of glue. Now that I'm content, I'm gonna actually start taking off the flowers off the stem. So I'm gonna add that to our wreath. And I want these guys too, they're cute. And I might use some of these leaves. So now I'm just gonna start glue gunning the flowers on. I'm gonna use the red ones and the white ones and just try to arrange them really nicely. And I'm making sure that I'm adding the flowers in between the nets. Now I'm just adding leaves in to cover up the gaps. And I'm gonna go in with zip ties when I'm finished, just to make sure everything is secured. But I'm using my glue as well to try to paste things down. So this is how the wreath is looking so far. I feel like I need to add another green leaf over here, and then I need to decide whether I'm going to put Santa there or if I'm going to put those legs there. I don't know if I mentioned it at any point in this video, but I am not a pro. I just be testing out my little DIY skills, okay? If you're a pro at this, kudos to you. Give me on Vlogmas content, period. Okay, do I add the feet? Or do I just add Santa in the middle? I feel like I'm feeling Santa in the middle. Should I just nestle him in there? That's so cute. Okay, yeah, I feel like I'm gonna nestle Santa in here, but let me get some zip ties so we can throw him right in there. So I have some zip ties here. Don't remember if I got these from Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, or Home Depot, but I have some zip ties here, and I'm gonna use it to secure my wreath and secure my Santa. And I also want to add a zip tie down here as well, just to secure these flowers. You won't be able to really see these zip ties. It's really only when you come close. Of course, there's probably a way to make this a lot more seamless, a lot more pretty. But again, I'm content. So this is what the wreath looks like, you guys. Of course, I have to do some work to get it off this paper because some glue fell through the net. but nothing that I can't do. But definitely stay tuned for the next clip to see how it looks on the door. How we feeling it? How we feeling it? I think we did that. It's definitely festive. It's not giving home goods or anything like that, but I really like it, and I like challenging myself to do these little projects, these little DIYs. So let me know how you guys enjoy it. Let me know how you guys are feeling on the wreath, and let's go ahead and jump into the next clip to show you guys how it looks on the door. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and let the wreath dry for a little bit. I wanted to make sure that the glue was hardened before picking it up off of the paper. This is what the wreath looks like. It's giving Christmas. It's giving Stushmas. I love it so much. I do feel like I could have put a little bit more red on this side, but I really like it. Sometimes you don't see things right away, especially when like you're recording. You're not really like looking in the camera to see the overview of it, but I really enjoy it nonetheless. I think it's really, really cute. So let me know how you guys are feeling the wreath down below. I'll go ahead and put a picture up on the screen right here showing you guys how it looks on the door. I also got the wreath hanger from Dollar Tree. Those were $1, $1.25. You know, Dollar Tree raised their prices, so $1.25. So I got the wreath hanger from there. Not gonna lie, it was a little bit tricky because Santa's head is right here, and that's usually where you would hang your wreath from, but I made it work nonetheless. So yeah, this is what the wreath looks like on the door. But I hope you guys really, really enjoyed today's video. And I didn't show you guys what it looks like on the back, but this is what it looks like on the back. See? It's giving DIY. There's a little bit of paper right here, but no one's gonna see the back, so it's fine. As long as everything is secured in the front and everything looks good in the front, that's all we're worried about. So that brings us to the end of Stushmas Day 4. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave your girl a thumbs up down below. Comment down below. Please comment down below and let me know if you guys would like to see more of these. I like doing these little DIYs to test my creativity, and I think I'm a pretty creative individual, okay? And I just really like passing time and doing these crafts. So definitely let me know if you guys enjoy seeing videos like this. Share this video with one of your creative friends, one of your friends that might be interested in something like this. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to join the Stush gang down below. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. We're uploading for 25 days straight, and you don't want to miss a day. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow your girl on the gram at the Stush Life. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in day 5, which is tomorrow. Bye guys.